Hey loves, so before we get started with the tutorial, today's music is brought to you by non-copyrighted music. If you're a content creator like me or just looking for some new music in general, be sure to check them out. All of their music is 100% safe to monetize and perfect for all types of creators. So I'll have their link down below in the description box. Be sure to check them out and go subscribe. The first song I'm using is called Little Dream, and the second song I use is called Grows Up. Now to get started on this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to start off by pulling the scrunchie out of my hair and just separating this hair. It's about 3 days old, and all I'm going to do is take this 1-inch curling iron and curl the ends. It does not have to be perfect. Now normally I wouldn't curl the ends because my ends are kind of curled out already, but for the sake of this video and for showing you guys the process, I am going to curl the ends. But like I said, it's not perfect. I'm just grabbing large chunks and I just want a little bit of curl. Now I'm using my fingers to break up the hair just so it's not in clumps. After that, we'll be using these VP Fashion Diet Yourself hair extensions. These were already pre-curled from another style. I think one of the greatest investments you can make when it comes to styling hair is these clip-in extensions because they're so easy to put in and easy to hide when you want a quick vintage updo, especially with the scarf like we'll be doing today. And I'm taking the 4 clip wefts, two strands of the 4 clip wefts, and just applying those at the crown of my hair. Once clipped in, I'm taking this scrunchie once again. Normally I like to use bobby pins, but because I want to do something different in this tutorial, I'm going to take this scrunchie and just tie it around, keeping the hair together, and then we're going to hide that scrunchie with these curls. I'm using my fingers to separate the curls and add a lot more volume than I do now. Once complete, I'm taking this Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray and applying that all over my curls. And this isn't my favorite hairspray, but like I said before previously, I ran out of my chi. I still haven't gone to the store to pick up a new one because, I don't know, I'm just too lazy to go out of my way to get it. So in the meantime, this will do. And I'm just making sure to get a lot of hairspray in there to make sure the curls don't fall down. And then I'm cleaning up the sides, front, and back. And now here are the Classy Rebel clip-in Bettie bangs. I got them in the shade Platinum and had them dyed to match my hair. Currently they do not match because my hair is faded, but once it is dyed, it matches a lot better. Now there are these strands back here. This is to help blend the bangs in with your hair, and these 2 clips to clip on the front portion of your hair. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my curling iron and I'm just smoothing out the bangs and adding a little curl at the bottom so they all blend in and look straight and smooth. So now they look much better. And all I did was give a little curl at the ends as well. Now you can place these lower or higher, it's all a matter of preference, but for me, I like them a little bit higher, so I'm going to be placing them above a bit more. And then I'm going to, oh sorry, I gotta fix that. Now normally these would go down and blend in with the bangs, but I'm going to be wearing a scarf, so I'm just going to pin these 2 sides back. And I'm just kind of combing through. I'm still not going to completely fix them just yet. I'll be taking this blue vintage nylon scarf and I'm folding it into a triangle and then folding it down once more. And I'm going to place that behind where all the mess is in the back of my hair and then going to tie it in a little bow. So once it's tied, now I can really style these bangs since they won't be moving and the scarf won't be messing them up. And voila! Here is my fake bang look. See, Betty bangs without the commitment. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I got this really cute shirt that says "Let's Summon Demons." It's just a joke. I don't actually summon demons. But I thought it was so cute because it kind of gives me Child's Play vibes. But that shirt I got from Wicked Clothes. And please ignore my broken nail. I'm getting my nails done today. But I hope you all enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.